Glenda and Lonnie Satterley here with Keller Williams Realty and the Joan Kelly Group. We're in Latitude Margaritaville in Hardyville, South Carolina. My wife is standing in front of the Parrot, the two-car garage beach collection floor plan. The Parrot offers approximately 1,939 square feet. And let's go take a look.
So again, one of the detached homes, you get to pick your exterior colors for this home. It is the Parrot. Come on in.
Vibrant colors. Nice volume ceiling foyer as you walk in. That's a trademark of these floor plans.
As you can see, it's a wide open concept. Mentos, the builder here, does a great job with the design, making sure that you have that open living.
Just to the right of the front door, you go to your guest bedroom. Nice bay window. Full bathroom.
So with buying a home in Margaritaville, you go under contract and then within 21 days you go into the design center. That's where you pick your upgrades such as flooring, cabinets, countertops. You can have shiplap on the walls, the ceilings, you can have beams. All that gets taken care of in the design portion of your visit here.
Very spacious utility room. Cabinets as an option.
Garage door open.
Access to the two-car garage. Storage area on this one as an option.
So again, as you can see, there are the ability to put a dining area here and an office on the opposite side. However, of course, you can do whatever you want with this space. If you don't need a dining space, you can make it an office area on this side. You can make this an optional bedroom. You can put French doors up if you'd like, or leave it open.
Vaulted ceiling in the living room. Breakfast eat-in area here.
And in this kitchen and the Parrot, these cabinets are standard. They come with the home as far as how many there are. You can pick your color. This is an off-white color, but you can go white. You can go a browner color, wood tones. So you do have lots of options. You can also purchase the lighting and the ceiling fans if you find anything that you really love.
Have a very spacious back porch on this floor plan. Of course, you have option of lagoon, wooded, or landscape berm lots.
You also have an option of putting in a pool if that's something that you'd like to do.
The master bedroom is off the living room here. Offers the bay window. Makes it very spacious and accommodates a king-size bedroom suite very easily. Tray ceiling with shiplap if you prefer that as an option. His and her closets as you enter into the master bathroom. Huge walk-in shower. Double vanity. Water closet.
One of the other great things about the Mento product is that they do put lots of windows in their homes to bring in the natural light. And we are in the sunny state of South Carolina, so that's a great thing.
So Lonnie and Glenda Satterley at Keller Williams Realty and the Joan Kelly Group in Latitude Margaritaville. We make these videos a little bit shorter, but we're always available to do a personal FaceTime walkthrough, virtual walkthrough for you at this development.
If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have the floor plans, we have pricing, we have lots. So reach out. We work hand in hand with the sales center and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.